So you've got n8n running locally on your Mac, Windows, or Linux machine. That's a huge first step. But right now, your n8n instance is in ghost mode. It can see the internet, but if an app like Stripe, GitHub, or Typeform tries to send a webhook to your computer, it hits a wall. Today, we are going to fix that. I'm showing you how to set up a Cloudflare Tunnel. This gives your local machine a professional, secure web address, so your automations actually work in the real world. Now, you might be tempted to use port forwarding on your router, but please don't do that. Opening ports is like leaving your front door unlocked in a crowded city. It's an invitation for hackers. A Cloudflare Tunnel is different. It creates a secure, encrypted outbound pipe. No holes in your router, no security risks. It's the enterprise-grade way to put a local server on the web for free. To do this, you need a domain name pointed to Cloudflare. If you do not have a domain name, you can get one through the Cloudflare registrar, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google. Now go to the Cloudflare website. Sign up if this is your first time accessing the site. After that, the first thing to do is to create the tunnel. Inside your Cloudflare dashboard, head to Zero Trust, Networks, Connectors, click on Create a Tunnel, select Cloudflare, and give it a name. I will call mine n8n Local. Next, we will install the connector. So Cloudflare will give you a command to run on your computer. You have all these options to select depending on your environment. Since we used Docker in the last video, we will run the Docker version of this connector. It's one line of code that stays running alongside n8n. Finally, tell Cloudflare to send traffic from your new domain directly to localhost 5678. Here is the moment of truth. Once you hit save in Cloudflare, wait about 30 seconds. If your tunnel status turns green and says healthy, you've officially turned your home computer into a world-class automation server. You are no longer just testing, you are in production. There is one last step you can't skip. You need to tell n8n that it now has a new identity. In your Docker setup, you'll want to add an environment variable for your webhook URL. This ensures that when you connect to Google or Slack, they know exactly where to send you back to. Without this, your Google Drive and Gmail notes will still throw errors. You now have a complete, professional, and totally free automation stack. No task limits, no privacy concerns, and a secure connection to the world. If this two-part series helped you get your lab up and running, hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.